What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Google Gaming and Tech channel, and we are going to do an extreme camera test on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We're going to be testing it out on this little vacation. We're going to see the ins and outs, how good this 48 megapixel is, and go on from there. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're new or returning, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely appreciate it. And we're going to test it out.